Brwnskindbeaut production.
Yeah. For real, it sounds up. For real.
Hey guys, and today's video is sponsored by SamsBeauty, and if you want to see how I go from this to this, keep on watching.
I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking about you, baby. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking about you, baby. If I can handle you as just a friend, oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. Baby. friend. Oh baby, I can't pretend. Oh baby, I'm so foreign, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top with me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you. Can you roll with me? Oh baby, roll with me. Can you take control of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you, baby. I think I like how your body feels next to me. Oh baby, when you're kissing me. Oh baby, when you're loving me. I can't describe what I wanna do to you tonight. Oh baby, when you come to me, I'll make it so you never leave. Can you rock with me? Oh baby, stop with me. Can you take it to the top of me? I just wanna love you, baby. Always thinking of you.
Okay, you guys, so I am done styling this wig, and I think it is so cute. I love the color. Now, let me just say this color isn't, how should I say? It's not the full color. So, for example, my Xenon wig or whatever that I have a video of that on my channel. I'll put it at the top for you guys, and I'll have a description down below. Like, the color was all throughout the bottom. This, I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it's blue strands and then black strands. Hopefully you guys can see it. So when you look at it on, so I did see this wig on YouTube, and that's what made me go get the blue black, and I thought that the bottom was actually just blue, but it's not. So just in case you were wondering, or if you don't like that type of style, you would know not to get this wig. Also, as you can see, all the work that I did to this wig to make it look as best as possible. Now, the hair when you get it is, to me, it's thick. I don't care what nobody says, the hair is thick. So for it to look more natural, you do have to go in and thin the wig out. Some synthetic wigs come bulky. So for it to look more natural, you're gonna have to, you know, take some of that hair out. Before, I could not run my fingers through my hair. Now look. Do you see that? Like the difference. So I'll do a side-by-side comparison so you guys can see. I did flat iron the hair in the video. I have my flat iron on high. It's just a regular old, I think it's a Remington flat iron. You do not have to get the same curling flat iron as me. It doesn't really matter, synthetic hair. When I was flat ironing, you did smell like a little bit of a smell, but the hair did not get burnt, so that's also good. Oh, let me see. It does say curling iron safe, so yes, but it doesn't tell you how high of a degree it does go. And what I do like about this wig, like, it goes all the way back, and I didn't even put any foundation or powder in my part. That's just how the lace naturally comes. But just look, I just love the fact that now I can run my fingers through it without a problem, because before it was like tension, like you really had to put your fingers through. But oh honey, this hair is so cute. I really do love this color. Like, it's making me want to dye some bundles this color, and I think I might. And also on camera, like, I'm looking at my viewfinder, it looks more like a It looks to me like a Adore African Violet type of hair is, and I did thin out a lot of it, so it comes, you know, to the top of the girls. And this is how it's looking. It's laying very, very. And this is how the hairline is looking after I did the baby hair. Oh, okay. So let me show you guys how much hair I took out of this wig, and you know, it's a lot. It's a lot. I'm telling you, it's a lot of hair. This is all the hair that I thinned out of the wig because the bottom was just too bulky. Like, yes, I'm wearing a synthetic wig, but I do not want people to know that I am wearing a synthetic wig, if you get what I'm saying. So this is a lot of hair. Shit, I might use it for some braiding. You never knew. But anyway, yeah, I have no complaints. The only thing that's a con about this wig is that it's not a put it on your head and go wig. If this was a put it on your head and go wig, it'll be the best wig. But because you have to do a lot of work to it, you know, a lot of people, especially beginners, aren't gonna want to have to do everything I did to make it look natural. Because I tried just flat ironing the hair and it did not make the hair any sleeker. Like, I really had to go through and thin this bad boy out. So if you're someone who doesn't want to do all that extra work, then this wig won't be for you. But besides that, I don't see a problem with this wig. Also, this hair is long. So by it being long, you're going to get tangling. Now, me personally, I think I'm gonna transform this whole wig into some type of bob. If you guys would like to see that, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will definitely bring that to you, because the idea that I have for this hair, one second, I think you guys will like it. But that's all I have to say. Once again, I did get this from SamsBeauty, and it is the Stylist Swiss Goddess Lace Wig in OT Blue Black, which is BLBLK. And keep slaying and stay beautiful, guys. Bye.
Oh baby, I'm so far in, but I don't mind as long as I could have you in my life. Oh baby, I'm satisfied, even if you're not just mine. Can you